good health,
Ikaw, anong wish mo kay Papa?
and stay safe. We
Thank
love
you.
you. And have some rest.
Sa ano na kami papang uuwi ha? Sa May. Hindi kayo makauwi dahil may pasok yung mga bata tapos may mga lakad yung kami. So,
Happy birthday, Papang!
sa May na lang. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We love you, Papa.
Birthday, Papa.
Happy 70th birthday, Manoy Raming.
Happy 70th birthday to you.
Everybody say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Manoy. Love you.
Hi Tio! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come with good health. Enjoy lang Tio sa birthday mo. Kag madamugid nga salamat sa tanan nga nabulig mo sa amon. Blessed kid kami, kag nalipay gid kami nga ikaw ang amon naging Tio. Enjoy ka mo ni Ante and more blessing to come with good health. Enjoy! Have fun Tio!
Yo, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Tagay muna. Ito ang uso dito, Tiyo. Okay? Gwapo pa ngayon. Pili pang maraming chicks yan. At maraming apo. Ting, ting, ting.
Okay, Teo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Salamat ng marami mula noon hanggang ngayon. Andyan ka para sa amin magsuporta at Happy 70th birthday. I wish you good health and God bless you. Tagay sa tagumpay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, pare. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Pare, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Good health always, pare. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Raming. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Raming. God bless you and enjoy your day today. Thank you po sa lahat. Wish namin long life at saka happy lang lagi. Miss you all. God bless po.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo Rami. Yeah! Happy birthday, Lolo Rami.
Lo, happy birthday! Nagpapasalamat po kami sa ating Diyos sa proteksyon at kalakasan na ipinagkakaloob niyo po sa inyo araw-araw. Purihin po ang ating Panginoon dahil isa ka pong blessing sa inyong pamilya, sa mga taong nakakasalamuha po niyo everyday at sa mga taong nakikilala pa po ninyo. Lagi po namin ipinagdarasal na bigyan niya po nawa kayo ng guidance sa araw-araw na gawain. His knowledge, understanding, and wisdom sa inyong pag-serve kay Lord. And that He may the Lord continue to bless you and grant the desires of your heart according to His will. So, Lo, again, thank you so much po sa inyo. And happy birthday. We love you po and we miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday ulit.